It's your agent, Jonathan, and I'm going to give you $3,000 when you buy this home with me.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we.
Take a 12-minute drive from the beach and you'll end up here at this beautifully, fully renovated 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in Hollywood, Florida. Both bedrooms fully accommodate a full or queen-size bed. The closets have multiple shelves for maximum usability. While there's only one bathroom, it is well designed. I love how the tile goes up the wall, continuing the flow of the space. Back through the living room, there's a door that exits to your covered carport, ensuring you're always dry when the weather turns, well, Florida. The kitchen features brand new stainless steel appliances, including the smooth surface electric range. Office, gym, yoga studio, this room is whatever you want to make it. While the seller does have the refrigerator here, it can easily be moved to the kitchen. Outside, this home continues to shine right beside the mature mango tree. Sitting on a 6,726 square foot lot, you have room for, well, everything. Note that only the back portion of the backyard is fenced in. Either sides of the house are lined with hedges. Just something to keep in mind. There's one last surprise, the laundry room. And it is, in fact, a room. Priced at $469,000, this property is a perfect starter home or investment property, and it qualifies for FHA financing. It is extremely difficult to find a fully renovated single-family home in South Florida priced below $500,000. So call today because this home, well, it won't last. And remember, you'll receive a $3,000 credit at closing when you buy this home with me as your agent. Special thanks to Elisa and Real Estate Boutique of South Florida. It's your agent, Jonathan. And if you don't buy this home, well, I might. It's that good.